So this is a vlog test with the DJI Action 4 Saramonic UC Mini external mic with the furry wind cover over it. Just walking through a forest preserve to do a test. See how the focus does, dynamic range, stabilization, and overall color. Found some sandhill cranes over there, kind of all in here. So this is a vlog test with the DJI Action 4. It's in Pro mode. I got the audio levels at 0 gain. I'm using the Saramonic UC Mini USB-C mic. So just testing this out. It's a really windy day today, so we'll see how this does. So it's just a quick little test to see how well the DJI Action 4 can be used as a vlogging camera. Obviously the weight is really light. I am on the extension pole that came with the Adventure Pack. Shooting in 4K 60. Like I said, it's really windy. So this is a really good test. And I do have the furry cover on the Saramonic UC Mini microphone. And I'll do a test in a little bit with just the onboard mic of the DJI Action 4. Just walk through here. It's just on rock steady, the regular one. Like I said, the gain is 0, which seems to be pretty good with the Saramonic UC Mini. So now this is a test. Everything's the same except it's the onboard mic of the DJI Action 4. Like I said, it's a really windy day, so I'm going full circle here, depending on which way the wind's coming. So you can hear the sound difference. I do have on the setting for the to minimize the wind on the DJI Action 4. Here's the mic right here with the attached windscreen, the furry one, which does help a lot. I just bought a generic one on Amazon. So again, just the internal mic of the DJI Action 4. Walking through. See how the clouds come out. Now I'm going to switch back to the Saramonic UC Mini mic, just because I know it does a better job. So back vlogging with the DJI Action 4 Saramonic UC Mini with the furry wind cover over the mic to help minimize the wind sound. This setup is so light and it's so stable. It's a really pocketable solution. There's a train cutting through. Way out there. See how that sound came out. See how that sound came out. Here's on the bridge. You can extend the pole way out. Get an idea of how far you can see. Wildflowers. And the sky. Somewhat cloudy, but still a nice day. Just a walking test. Show the stabilization. Should see the bridge coming in the background there. Try to get it more center. There we go. So again, it's just a quick vlogging test. See how the DJI Action 4 with the Saramonic UC mini mic works. Super compact setup. So it's just a quick video on the iPhone showing the setup, how light it is. This won't be a very long test, it's just a quick one. Just to see while walking through the forest preserve how well the DJI Action 4 with the Saramonic UC mini captures both the sound, stabilization, as well as focus and clarity at 4K 60. I mean, the setup is so small, it's really ideal, and the battery lasts a really long time. Plus, if you get the adventure combo, you get the extension stick, battery charger, and 2 extra batteries, so it's really well worth it for the adventure combo. Let's go over here just so you can see the text for the sharpness. Try to hold it steady there. Now we'll go over here and look at a map, which is a graphic. Just so you can see the detail that it can capture. That's probably the minimum focusing distance, which is really close. There's a bridge they put in a couple years ago, right over here, over the railroad tracks. This is kind of right now my go-to setup, just because it's so light. You pop it in your pocket, the battery life lasts forever. My other camera, the ZV-1, the stabilization is really tough on that one, because it's not as stable as this by any means. It just works really well. Look at these leaves here, they're very glossy. And here's going into the shadow so you can see the sensor. I like these berries on the outside. This is a vlogging test going from the sun into the shady area. See how well the camera compensates. You can see it's fully covered the roof. See the dynamic range of the fireplace there. So that concludes the test of the DJI Action 4 with the Saramonic UC Mini. If you like the video, click the like button and subscribe to see more content like this.